Condoms are widely available, effective, easy to use, and that's just some of the things that makes them great. They prevent pregnancy and STDs and come in different styles, shapes, sizes, colors, and materials. Plus, they have virtually no side effects and are usually inexpensive or even free. Most people have heard of external condoms, also known as male condoms. They're up to 98% effective at preventing pregnancy if you use them correctly each and every time you have sex, and they help protect from STDs. Condoms create a barrier that prevents sperm or STDs from getting in or out of the area that the condom covers. Latex condoms are easiest to find and are great for most people. If you're allergic to latex, try polyurethane or lambskin condoms. Internal condoms, also known as female condoms, are up to 95% effective at preventing pregnancy, and they also protect from STDs. They also create a barrier so sperm and STDs can't get through. These condoms are inserted into the vagina or anus before sexual activity and are latex free, so anyone can use them. Both types of condoms can be used with other methods of birth control for extra protection. If a condom breaks, you can use emergency contraception up to 5 days afterwards to prevent pregnancy. Here's just a few more pointers about condoms. Condoms should only be used one time each. Do not use 2 condoms at once, as this increases the risk of them breaking. And don't use an internal condom and an external condom at the same time. Only use water-based or silicone lube with latex condoms. Experiment different brands and types of condoms to find the one that fits well. Check out our videos on external and internal condoms for more information and tips on how to use them.